we're back with another how-to video from yours truly, Mallory Brown. All right, so this is the folding machine. It's a tricky little machine, but no worries, we'll teach you how to do it. So for funerals and the family news, I'm going to start out with that. We use 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, which is pretty standard for those two things. So for a funeral, we usually just do a half fold. So we would fold a 8.5 by 11 in half. So what you do for that is make sure these are set to fit in 8.5 by 11. To change it, you just twist these little knobs, and when you do that, it moves back and forth, and so you can adjust the size for the paper. All right, so we want to make sure this is for 8.5 by 11, and once it's set, you just screw them back down, tighten them up. And usually we'll have more than one sheet of paper here, but I'm just going to do one. All right, so this is the settings. So you see these are all the different folded diagrams. So this is a half fold. That's what we're going to use for a funeral bulletin. Don't worry about this number. You can press clear to reset to zero it out if you want. The speed, you can adjust that to go fast or slow. We already have all of that set, and it'll automatically adjust to whatever the paper size is. So when you're ready to fold, and we set it to half, you just press start, and see that automatically adjusts. And then it comes down to the bottom. So we have a half fold. Perfect. All right, so for the family news, we do a tri-fold. Same sort of size of paper, so you don't need to adjust these again. But if you want to put your paper in, you flip this down, and then to get ready to fold, you flip it back up, so it's ready. All right, now I want to do a tri-fold. So this is the one that I use for that, right below the half thing. So you press that, and then you press start, and it'll automatically adjust again. It comes out, and it's folded in thirds, and that's what we do for the family news and other things that go in envelopes.